Hello everyone, my name is Vlad and today I will record a second video regarding the Frankenstein Finance platform, which is a yield farming platform with some opportunities for vaults and liquidity pool tokens staking. And I will share. I would share with you my profits and show is it really good or not. Okay, so right now we are on the Frankenstein Finance website again. So I have already shown you how to use this platform, how to stake your funds, and now I will share you the results of the staking, and which is a bit more than a week has passed, so about 10 days. So let's check the transaction. So the transaction was 10 days ago when I was staking the liquidity pool tokens to the platform, and now I want to share you how many have I earned and what is the token price of the Frankenstein token and other stuff. So first of all, the price of the Frankenstein token has fallen several times. So it was about $80 or $90, but now it is only $11. Yesterday it was almost $20, but the price is hovering. So right now I want to quit my position because it makes no sense, and I would hold my Frankenstein tokens for a while, so until the token would be a bit more expensive. And so here I have filtered the pools that I'm participating on, the staked only pools, and here we can see the USDT and BUSD pools that I have staked my funds into, and I have exchanged about $35. So let me check just. So yeah, I have found this transaction, which is here. So I have spent some 38 BUSDs were left on my wallet, and I have exchanged them for 0.42 Frankenstein tokens and staked them in the platform when the price was quite high. So I have calculated, so the price for the time of transaction was about $90, but now it is only 11. So as I said, it is a very risky platform, so I have just staked $40, so it's okay. It is not like several thousands or $10,000, okay. And here I have staked $300 in the USDT-BUSD no risk pool in the Pancake Swap. It is a liquidity pool, and I have got some Frankenstein tokens. So the APYs have fallen down also, and last week the APY was about 83 up to 90%, but now it is only 45% in Frank tokens. So, and this is very relatively small amount, but still for the stable coins it's okay, 45%. And for Frank, the APY was more than 3k. It was about 3.6k% yearly APY, but now it is less than 1k, about 800%, and also it is hovering constantly. And actually I have earned something in Frank tokens, but if I would exchange this to the liquid asset, for example BNB tokens, or I don't know, just to BUSDs or USDTs, so I have actually lost something. So we can see that the cost of my total deposit is $307 in USDT, and actually these are my liquidity pool tokens that's worth $300, and I have lost. So as I said, I have staked $40, and now they cost about $7, so less if we will calculate and compound all the interest that I have earned through this weekend. I have harvested one time, so we can check the transactions. So here we can see that I have got some Frankenstein tokens, and then I have restaked them into the platform, and I think that now it is time to make the second harvesting of the funds and restaking them.
Are you still watching? Then please reward our efforts with the like.
So because it makes no sense just to hold Frank tokens on my wallet, or just to hold them and keep them pending on the platform, because I don't get additional income, additional profits, and I would wait until the price of the Frankenstein token would rise a bit. Also, I got interested through the token model, the tokenomics, and I have asked some questions in the Frankenstein.finance platform. So you can check in the Frankenstein Finance chat today. So the first question was regarding these signs regarding the Frankenstein tokens. So what does it mean? And I got a reply that it makes sense because it points to the multiplier position, multiplier amount. So what does it mean? For example, when 1 franc token is minted per block, so this token would be shared between farms and pools in the equivalent ratio of the multipliers. So what does it mean? So it means that the the Frankenstein token pool gets 40 times more profits from the franc minted tokens, from the minted franc tokens, then, for example, the pool with the 1x value. If we compare USDT and BUSD pool and franc pool, so the reward allocations are 80 times more for franc pool than USDT-BUSD pool. So as you see it, the APY is hovering, so it was just less than 50%. Now it is more than 51%, so just hovering around this amount. So the second question was regarding the token minting amount and the token burn model. So average daily 5,486 franc tokens are minted per Binance Smart Chain and Phantom tokens. So in total it is more almost 11,000 franc tokens per day. So because the platform is working both on the Phantom and Binance Smart Chain networks, and there are some token burn mechanisms. These are the guys are burning 2% of their income for them, like 10 net income, and 50% from the lottery stake tokens. So there is a lottery launched on the Frankenstein Finance platform, so we can check it out. So and half of the funds that were collected through the lottery are don't just sent to the wallet that would be that can be got back. The burn addresses are available here, so you can see the burn addresses on the screen. So let's check it. You can see the address of the smart contract, and as for now, almost 700 franc tokens were burned. So they were sent like one-way ticket. And here you can see the second address, so in the link. So and almost 300 franc tokens were burned here, and we can check the Phantom scan and see how many Frankenstein tokens were burned here, which is a bit more, 800 here, and the performance burn amount is more almost 200 tokens. So in total for the whole time, more than 3k franc tokens were burned, but if we see the amount of new tokens that are going to be minted, it is more than 11k. So
dear friends, we are building a platform, a DeFi aggregator that is also a place where you can look up all your expenses and incomes. We need your feedback on the service to help us make it better. Tell us what particular features you wanted to have so our aggregator meet your needs. Give us feedback in the comments or join our group chats on the aggregator and leave your thoughts there.
So I don't think that it makes a big impact on the token price, on the Frank token price, the fact that there is a small token burn, because as I said, every day more than almost 11k Frank tokens are being minted. And now I want to harvest all the rewards that I have got for these days and restake them into my Frank position. So confirming the transaction, let's wait until it's completed, and I would restake them and add them to my position, because now it makes no sense to withdraw and sell my Frank tokens as far as the price is only $11. So the Frank rewards were harvested. So you can harvest by the one transaction in the single transaction all the harvest from all the farms that you are participating. So now it's no need to proceed the first transaction from here, then from here, and pay spend more BNB tokens for gas. So just use this one. It is the easiest and the fastest way. So now let's add some francs to my position. So confirm, and I would get more interest on my staked francs into this farm, and I think that I would leave them until the price of the Frank token would rise. So, and because now I don't want to sell, because as I said, it makes no sense. And let's confirm the transaction and leave it as it is. So now we can again check the transaction in the BSC scan to make sure that everything is verified on chain. All right, so we have successfully staked everything. So let's wait until something would happen to the Frankenstein platform. Also, I think that soon I would unstake my USDT-BUSD LP tokens, and maybe I would restake them to the other farm, because Frank platform can seem a bit risky as for me, but it's up to everyone to whether to stake the tokens or not to stake, and it's not a financial advice, as I said. So for you guys, it was a very short video actually on the Frankenstein Finance platform. Hope that everything was clear. Especially I have cleared out some specifics regarding the token supply, and some specs have become more clear, and hope that this information is useful for you. And there are a lot of projects like Frankenstein Finance, and you can compare the token supply, the token burn rules and other stuff with other platforms, and now you know what information do you need to know about the platform before stake it.
UDAO DeFi is a project developed by Platinum Software Development Company, one of the most trustful and experienced engineering blockchain teams in DeFi development. If you want to create your own DeFi app on any blockchain such as Ethereum, Polkadot, Binance Smart Chain, we are happy to give you our one free consultation and share our experience. Contact us right now.